Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hin, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing a canister filter, which is DoPhin CF300. I bought this canister filter on Shopee with 58 Malaysia ringgit, which is around 30 USD. First we open the box. You can find a manual and 2 bio block, which is not included with the filter. I just happened to order them together with the filter from the same buyer. The filter comes with a core sponge, 3 cartridges with active carbon in it, and 8 bio balls in total. Two holes with around 1 meter length. And some suction cup. The inlet and outlet tube. I did spend some time figuring out how to assemble them because the outlet was facing weird way until I tried to twist the connector. Make sure to twist it tight to lock it down so you can prevent some possible water leak. Wash all the stuff come with it to clean any extra dust off. After rinsing them, you can put them back into the canister. I recommend you guys to replace the cartridges with fine wool after some time using them. Fill the canister with water through the top cap before you starting it. Now I can finally replace my old filter with this canister filter. I bought this canister filter because I don't think my hang-on back filter was giving enough float to cycle the tank. I recommend you to attach a coarse sponge to the inlet to block out any stream from sucking in, and it expand the lifespan of your filter as well. I just snatched this coarse sponge from my old hang-on bag filter. Here's a footage of me trying to clean the canister. As you can see, there's no gate to stop the water, so you can't just pull out the tube. For my way of doing this, I just take the whole filter out. Do prepare a bucket as it may have some water leak. After you take the top off, it's actually very easy to clean it, as it is very light. You can just take it to the toilet and wash it. Then I noticed a problem with it. It will leak if you tilted a certain degree, but it will still work fine when you start up the canister filter. Overall, I'm still very pleased with the canister filter because of its cheap price and its light design. I do recommend this canister filter to those who want to start a planter tank at a very low budget. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Do give me a like and subscribe, it does show me your appreciation. I would like to know about your opinion on this video quality and my way of speaking English. So see you guys in the next video.